Most people spend days scrubbing, spraying, and stressing to get their homes ready for the holidays. But the Amish? They can prepare an entire farmhouse for the holidays in minutes using simple cleaning tricks you already have in your kitchen. Today, you're learning 15 natural Amish cleaning hacks that make your home sparkle faster and cheaper than anything in the cleaning aisle. Homemade lye soap. Traditional Amish lye soap is made only once a year, typically in autumn when livestock fat is rendered and wood ashes are plentiful. The mixture of purified animal fat and homemade lye produces a hard, dense bar packed with natural cleaning compounds. This old-world soap removes dirt, sweat, grease, and built-up residue from clothing more effectively than many modern detergents, thanks to naturally formed sodium salts that lift oils from fibers. Floors cleaned with diluted lye soap develop a clean, natural sheen without synthetic fragrances or waxy buildup. Farmers also use it on tools, machinery, and barn equipment coated in stubborn grime. The soap cures for weeks in cool storage areas, allowing its harshness to mellow while cleaning efficiency increases. Unlike commercial detergents filled with stabilizers and artificial chemicals, Amish lye soap contains only basic ingredients and biodegrades completely. Eco-conscious households now seek it out because it performs exceptionally but leaves no environmental footprint. Properly stored bars can last a full year or longer, making it both economical and sustainable. Vinegar for windows. The Amish rely on a simple 50-50 mix of white vinegar and water, a solution that predates modern cleaners but still outperforms most of them. Vinegar's acetic acid dissolves grime, grease, water spots, and fingerprints without leaving behind filmy residue. It's gentle enough for antique glass and coated windows, yet powerful enough to break down cooking buildup on stoves and cabinet fronts. Unlike store-bought sprays loaded with ammonia, dyes, and fragrances, this formula is safe around kids, pets, and food surfaces. Amish homemakers also use it on bathroom mirrors, chrome fixtures, car windshields, and even digital screens when applied with a soft cloth. Its natural antimicrobial properties give it mild disinfecting power, reducing the need for multiple cleaning products and freeing up storage space. A single gallon of homemade vinegar solution replaces several commercial cleaners at a fraction of the cost. Environmentally, it creates no fumes, leaves no chemical residues, and eliminates plastic waste from buying new bottles every month. Sunshine as a disinfectant. Hanging quilts, mattresses, pillows, rugs, and even clothing outdoors is more than old-fashioned. It's scientifically proven. Direct sunlight releases ultraviolet rays that destroy bacteria, viruses, mold spores, and allergens by damaging their DNA. This natural disinfecting method requires no chemicals, electricity, or special tools. Amish families spread items on clotheslines during the sunniest hours of the day, especially between 10 a.m. and 3 p.m. when UV intensity peaks. Sun and wind together remove trapped moisture, stale odors, and mustiness from bulky fabrics that can't go through hot water cycles or chemical cleaners. Winter sun is less intense but still effective, especially when combined with dry, cold air that inhibits bacterial growth. Hospitals now use expensive UV machines to replicate what the Amish have always done for free. This method revitalizes bedding, heavy curtains, and thick quilts without perfumes or irritants, making it ideal for homes with allergies, asthma, or chemical sensitivities. Best of all, it costs nothing and leaves fabrics smelling truly fresh, not artificially scented. Cornmeal for grease spills. Cornmeal is one of the most surprising and effective Amish hacks for dealing with fresh grease spills on wood, countertops, and porous surfaces. Instead of scrubbing, a method that usually pushes grease deeper into the material, the Amish simply pour a generous coating of dry cornmeal directly onto the spill. The coarse texture immediately begins pulling oils upward through natural capillary action. Within 10 to 15 minutes, the cornmeal darkens as it absorbs the grease, lifting it out of the grain without damaging finishes or requiring harsh chemicals. This technique works especially well on valuable wooden furniture, cutting boards, butcher block counters, and even painted surfaces. It's equally effective on concrete garage floors or workshop spills where oil stains normally require commercial degreasers. Mechanics have adopted the trick because it's inexpensive, natural, odor-free, and leaves zero residue. Fine ground cornmeal handles lighter spills, while coarse textures work for heavy automotive grease. Stored in an airtight container, cornmeal lasts indefinitely and doubles as a food ingredient when not used for cleaning. Baking soda scrub. Baking soda is one of the most versatile cleaners in an Amish household. Mixed with a small amount of water, it forms a gritty paste that cuts through grease baked on food, soap scum, hard water deposits, and stains without scratching delicate surfaces. Stainless steel sinks, porcelain tubs, ceramic tiles, enamel cookware, and even glass respond beautifully to this mild abrasive. Unlike harsh scrub powders, baking soda doesn't dull finishes or leave behind harmful residues. It also neutralizes acidic and alkaline odors, making it ideal for deodorizing refrigerators, cupboards, root cellars, basements, and pet areas. Open boxes placed strategically throughout the home absorb unpleasant smells for months. Baking soda's ability to eliminate odor sources rather than mask them is why it outperforms many commercial deodorizers. It's food safe, inexpensive, and environmentally friendly, so Amish families use it freely around kitchens where children and animals are present. Its long shelf life and multi-use functionality make it a staple stored in bulk. Old rags over paper towels. Rather than buying disposable paper towels, Amish households repurpose worn shirts, towels, sheets, and flannel clothing into reusable cleaning rags. These cloths absorb far more liquid than paper products and hold up to scrubbing, polishing, and repeated washing. Terry cloth is used for spills, cotton for dusting and polishing, and soft flannel for delicate surfaces like glass or mirrors. Rags last for months or even years depending on use, making them vastly more economical for large families who clean frequently. Using rags also reduces paper waste, landfill buildup, and the environmental strain caused by paper product manufacturing. Amish families typically store rags by type, so the right material is always on hand. Heavily soiled rags are washed separately in hot water to maintain hygiene, and their durability allows them to be sanitized repeatedly. This practice can reduce household paper consumption by 75% annually while achieving better cleaning performance. Lemons for rust and stains. Lemons are a natural rust remover and metal brightener thanks to their high citric acid content, which dissolves iron oxide and mineral buildup. Amish families rub cut lemons directly onto knives, pots, pans, faucets, and tarnished brass or copper to dissolve stains and restore shine. The acid gently breaks down corrosion without the dangers of harsh chemical cleaners. Lemon also eliminates hard water stains on sinks and glass surfaces while leaving a light, clean scent behind. Amish homemakers often save lemon rinds from baking or canning projects and repurpose them for cleaning. When soaked in vinegar for several days, the resulting citrus-infused cleaner becomes even more powerful, combining citric and acetic acids for heavy-duty stain removal. Different citrus fruits offer different strengths: lemons for tough stains, limes for moderate cleaning, and oranges for delicate surfaces. Because it's non-toxic and food-safe, this method is especially useful in kitchens where chemical residues would be unacceptable. Salt to brighten colors. Amish quilters and homemakers discovered that adding salt to wash water preserves the vibrant colors in fabrics that might otherwise fade over time. Salt ions bond with dye molecules and help anchor them to the fibers during agitation, heat, and detergent exposure. This prevents bleeding, fading, and patchy discoloration, especially on cotton, linen, wool, and naturally dyed textiles. The technique is essential for Amish quilts, which contain rich colors and are washed frequently in large households. Water temperature is crucial. Lukewarm water helps salt dissolve and absorb into fibers, whereas hot water can accelerate fading even with salt added. 2 tablespoons of salt per gallon of water is typically enough for a full load. While synthetic dyes may respond differently, natural fabrics show dramatic improvement. Salt treatment is also used on heirloom garments, handmade blankets, and expensive fabrics where preserving color is worth the effort. Unlike specialty detergents, this method is inexpensive, natural, and free from harsh chemicals. Boiling water for stains. Pouring freshly boiled water directly over stains is one of the fastest and simplest Amish cleaning techniques. High heat breaks down proteins, fats, and sugars before they have time to bond with fibers. This makes it perfect for removing blood, milk, eggs, berries, wine, and most organic spills the moment they happen. Water heated to 180 to 212 degrees Fahrenheit dissolves residues that cold water would permanently set. Amish kitchens keep a kettle ready so spills can be treated immediately. This method is also used to sanitize enamel cookware, canning jars, ceramic dishes, and tools that require sterilization before food preservation. Hot water kills most bacteria and viruses within seconds, making it a natural disinfectant that requires no chemicals. It's especially effective when used quickly. Older stains may require repeated applications, but the method still lifts surprising amounts of discoloration. It's safe, free, environmentally friendly, and works with supplies every household already has. Whitewash for walls. Whitewash, a blend of lime, water, and salt, has been used for centuries, and the Amish still apply it to barns, basements, cellars, and workshops. Lime's natural alkalinity kills bacteria, mold, fungi, and other microorganisms on contact, making it invaluable in damp or poorly lit spaces. When applied, whitewash leaves a bright, clean coating that reflects light and makes small or dark areas feel larger. It dries quickly, hardens over several days, and becomes more durable as it cures. The entire mixture costs under $5, but covers the same area as expensive antimicrobial paints. Historically, hospitals used lime-based coatings to reduce infection before modern chemicals existed. Today, whitewash remains completely biodegradable and emits no harmful VOC fumes. Amish families appreciate that it protects surfaces, improves hygiene, and can be reapplied yearly without requiring sanding, stripping, or complex prep work. It's safer around food storage areas and offers exceptional longevity compared to modern paints that degrade or peel. Sand for scouring pots. Amish cooks often clean cast iron and heavy cookware with clean river sand, which acts as a gentle but effective abrasive. When mixed with a splash of water, it forms a gritty paste that removes burnt-on food and grease without stripping away the valuable seasoning that gives cast iron its natural non-stick surface. Steel wool and aggressive scouring pads often damage or remove seasoning, requiring cookware to be re-seasoned, a labor-intensive process the Amish prefer to avoid. Different grades of sand allow for precise cleaning: fine sand for delicate surfaces, coarser sand for stubborn buildup. The method uses no soap, a key rule for cast iron care, and it works equally well for kettles, aluminum pots, and outdoor cookware. Campers and homesteaders have rediscovered this technique because it is eco-friendly, chemical-free, and effective even when water is scarce. The key is choosing clean, mineral-based sand free from organic debris or sharp fragments to avoid scratching. The Amish prove something important. You don't need a cart full of cleaning products to get your home sparkling before the holidays. Just a few natural ingredients and a handful of time-tested tricks. Use these hacks as you get ready for the holidays, and you'll save time, money, and space while enjoying a cleaner home than ever. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more Frugal the Holidays tips coming soon.